the hair transplant for the front area. You can see the hairline. You can see how the hairline is looking. See, so a natural hairline has irregularities like this, macro and micro irregularities with single hairs in the front. So this transplant was done around 5 to 6 months back. And this you can see how the results are coming. You can still see some new hairs coming up, and because the full response is visible by 9 to 12 months, but you can see we did the whole front region with around 3000 grafts, and you can see how the donor area is behaving. So the donor area also looks completely normal. And so this is how a good hairline looks like, you see. So the macro irregularity also is subtle, and you can see the subtle micro irregularities in creating a single hairs in the hairline. And with this micro irregularities, you can see the triangular, round and linear clusters which has been created in such a way that it looks completely natural. So देख के आपके friends वगैरह लोग क्या बोले सर hairline का?
Sir, frankly speaking, nobody noticed actually.
So they could not recognize कि ये transplant करा गया.
Yeah.
Okay.